Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your Xportal account. Deleting an Xportal account is a straightforward process, so here's how you can do it. Launch Open Xportal application from your app drawer. Log into your wallet by entering your PIN code. Once you're signed into your wallet, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner and then tap on the gear button at the bottom left. Now, click on the privacy option. From the privacy option, scroll all the way down and tap on account deletion. Click on the delete account button, but before that, make sure that you've backed up your secret phrases, since not backing up your secret phrases will lead you to permanent loss of your wallet. Once you have your backup available with you, you can proceed to deletion by tapping on the delete account button. Tap on yes delete in the pop-up and you will now be able to delete your Xportal account within a few minutes. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.